welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a end of month flip for my brand new Plum paper planner. So I also figured I'd use this as a way to do a little review on this new planner, how I've liked it, and just some details. So overall, I will say I've loved it, and that's also coming from me not using it every single day. I also didn't even use it this current week that I'm filming, and I can still say that I love it. I'm a little different when it comes to planners. I'm okay with if I don't use them every single week, as long as they're there when I need it, and they serve, to me that matters, because then it actually serves its purpose, right? Like I feel like if you force yourself to use it, you're kind of doing the opposite, right? Where you're just like trying to make it work, and sometimes you just don't need it like that week, right? So especially when you use multiple planners, that's something that I've learned to kind of like deal with. And honestly, since I realized that, I've just like accepted, it's honestly been a lot better, and I feel more productive because I just use what I need when I need it, and I know I get my value from that alone. So yeah, let's go ahead, jump right in. So I've honestly only been using the weekly views. Let's remove my cute little bat from Infinite Lettuce. So I didn't intend, with coil planners, let me also just back up a bit with my planner system. So with coiled planners, they're typically like a secondary form, and I need them for a reason. And the reason why I love agendas so much is because of the inserts, and you can just choose, right? When it comes to coil planners, these are designed to have everything in one place, and I don't need everything in one place since I use multiple planners. So there's a lot of things that don't get used, right? Like this overview section for a reason, I don't have real purpose for it. This isn't why I bought the planner, but I'm okay with that because I know this isn't why I bought the planner. I wanted this view. It's nice to have if I need it, right? Like I can pre-plan, do whatever. Same with the monthly view. I set it up just in case I wanted to use it, but I didn't. But that could change next month. Maybe I want to throw it in here, right? As we know, there's times where I consolidate, or I'll try and like use something for a different reason. It's here if I need it, but this isn't why I bought the planner. I didn't honestly need it. I needed this view. So this view has been perfect when I needed it. So this is the, I believe it's called the Me Planner. Yes, the Me Planner. And it's incredible. This is all neutral, it's customized. You can get the sections customized as well, so that it's pre-printed. I didn't know exactly what would work, and so I didn't do that. Next time I order this planner though, because I do see myself ordering this once this is up, because it's just perfect, like for what I need. I love the size. I just love everything about it. But I'll probably get my pre-selected labels. I just didn't do that for this one because it's new. I wanted to try it out. Didn't want to be restricted. But I think I found a flow that works. I'll just need to like swap out academic for when I'm done with school. But overall, this does get a little decorative, which I also love. I just love having all of my lists broken down by category. And again, it's serving its purpose. So you will see blank things. I'm okay with blank spaces. Also my planner, I know some people aren't. So that's why when I do decorations, it's typically not too over the top, because I need to see blank spaces. If there's no blank spaces in my planner, then that means I can expect a lot to happen that week. And so that's how I associate blank spaces in my planners. I'm a very visual person. That's why I love planners. But when I see like a lot written down, right? Like one would assume like if you have everything written out, there's probably a lot to do as opposed to where there's blank spots. So I don't force myself to put things in my planners. I think that's going to be like the moral of the story. But again, that's because that's not just how I like work visually. Like if I see this is filled, then I'll probably have an anxiety attack because I'm like, oh, that's a lot of stuff for like everything. Like what do I need to work on when, what needs to be prioritized, right? I think this is like the perfect balance because I know, oh, well, this is like I'm just editing, or this is like the schedule overview, different things like that. So overall, again, loving the setup, but I need my blank spaces. As I mentioned this week, I haven't used it too much. I haven't been feeling well. So the week that I'm filming this, but still love it, still have this space for when I need it. And because I haven't been using it during the weekday, that means I'll definitely probably need it during the weekend, which works, right? Because then that also lines up with, there was a lot of blank spaces, or, you know, because I got sick, not really. But typically I would have seen a lot of blank spaces and then a lot for the weekend, and that would have just showed me I didn't do much, but obviously I was out, and then I have to make up for it on the weekend. So yeah, that is this view. And here's this upcoming week that still haven't fully set up, but added just like a few decorations to where I know there's not gonna be things. Because I still also like decorating overall, but I just don't want it to be overwhelming. So 4 stickers, 5 stickers top, just kidding, kind of. Yeah, that is what this planner looks like. Again, I do continue to plan on using it for October, just for 2025. This goes until September, yeah, September 2025. So it'll be off and on based on when I need it, but lately I've been needing it and been loving it. In addition to this planner, I also ordered my ROSIE Papeterie hourly coiled planner. I haven't tried it before. I've tried the inserts themselves, but not in a coiled form. So I'll probably alternate between that and my Erin Condren hourly. I don't have my hourly on me. I left it at my brother's. So otherwise I would show you all that as well. But I do have coiled planners that are typically off to the side. I love my Erin Condren hourly. That's like a go-to staple. It's a safety net. I have to just have it. Like I have to order it every year. Even if I only use it once a month, it's just something that if I know when I need it, it's there, and it's a comfort tool for me. So I have that. That'll be my half hour. And then that ROSIE Papeterie hourly will be my single hour, because there are times where I don't want to put in everything by the half hour. It can get overwhelming, or it's like unnecessary. And so I'll probably bounce between those two when it comes to the hourly. And then when it comes to like when I really need to focus on what's being done, when, for what, that's where this comes in. And it's honestly been working great. So that is my new Plum paper current setup, and a little overview, as well as kind of how I plan on using this in the new year. So again, same tactical planning, all of the lists, keeping things organized and in one spot. This is primarily, I think, gonna be more so of like a project planner going forward. I might remove the schedule section just because I don't need this in here. And with all the inserts that I've ordered so far with my agendas, I really won't need it. So I think I'll just break it down by like household chores, household projects, different things like that. But we'll figure it out. Other than that, that is my Plum paper and the additional planners that I plan on using for 2025. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.